All right, guys, I didn't even know about this. There was a tropical storm off the coast of North Carolina. Well, it's just hit. I didn't find out about it until last night, and I've been busy trying to clean the house. And as you can see, it is deep in my yard, and we're gonna be losing some things because I'm at the point where I need to exit immediately because my Jeep might not be able to make it out of here. Unfortunately, the trophy cart is right there, and the water is only rising, and my whole yard is just nothing but it's a swamp out here. It's flooded. It's crazy. Look at this. My lawnmower is going under. My Envoy is going under. My Jeep is going under. I'm losing everything. My Mercedes. I'm pretty sure I lost my Mercedes. The hearse. I hope I don't lose the hearse. It's up on blocks. And it's only going to get higher, I'm afraid, guys. So guys, wish me luck. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Oh, my M715 is going under. All right, guys, I give up. I'm hooking up to my trailer and I'm getting out of here. It is getting deep. I'm gonna lose a lot of stuff, and the water's just rising. So it is about 7 o'clock in the evening, and my driveway the water has gone down to the point that I can get back down the driveway, and well, I'm gonna go check on the house. So I'm a little afraid to see what I got going on, but we'll see. I toyed with the idea of not filming this because it's getting dark and this camera might not pick up video very well at night, but I mean, I'm going for it. My curiosity is just going wild. Alright, so this was very deep. I see my boat is still there. Got pretty deep over here. Oh wow, my three-wheeler floated away. I'm glad it didn't float away forever. Oh my God. Yeah, the poor old Envoy. There's the water line right there. Door's locked. It went under pretty good. Yeah, it's soaked. Okay. Envoy is been flooded. I don't know about the engine though. Halfway up the crankshaft. So maybe it's okay. Oh God, dang. The transmission had no tail shaft in it, so it's full of water. I'm gonna have to drop the pan on the transmission. Crap. My poor old John Deere got it. My M715. Oh crap. Oh. Yeah. My log splitter got it. So log splitter got flooded. Let's check the inside of the hearse. I believe the hearse is okay. That's good news. Didn't think about my log splitter. Log splitter got flooded. The M715, the axles went underwater, so I'm gonna have to empty the axles, but the body's okay. Let's go see the house. and it got over a foot deep in here. At least the kayaks didn't go anywhere. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the air conditioning, and I'm going to let it dry out in here. So yeah, it didn't get too deep in here, but I'm going to have to do some cleaning. So I definitely lost some vehicles. So sad. Turn on the heat. Inside temperature 72. Let's see if it comes on. Alright. So I'm going to have to come in here with a mop, and I'm going to have to start cleaning. It stinks in here. Well, I'm thankful that boat didn't go anywhere, and I'm thankful that this boat didn't go anywhere. So there's the water level right there. So the axle to my trailer went under. So I'm gonna have to try to I'm gonna have to do the wheel bearings on that. Let's see what washed up out at my pier area. Got a trailer tire over there. Pretty muddy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleanup. Got to change a lot of oil on stuff. Got a heck of a mess. So guys, appreciate y'all watching. Oh, I'm not quitting here. Okay guys, so I will see y'all at the shop, where I'm going to start to clean out all the differentials and transmissions and all that good stuff. So yeah, I got a stump over here I got to get rid of. Caught up on a line. Big poop. That's a big tree. Big tree that's caught up. I can't move that. I guess it can stay. This sucks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vehicles got flooded. 6. Alright. See y'all at the shop. Alright, so it's the next day, and I need to get busy cleaning up my vehicles. I've got water in the floorboards. I'm gonna have to vacuum them out. It looks like that this So it looks like this was salt water that was blown in from the ocean. So I'm gonna have to come up with a concoction to spray underneath my vehicle to try to help neutralize the salt. So I've got a formula that I got to mix up, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna make sure that the rear end isn't overfull because it might have water in it. I'm gonna check for milkshakes, and yeah, I've got a lot of maintenance I've got to do to vehicles, and log splitter and generator and stuff like that. A lot of things got flooded. So first things first is my regular vehicle that I drive while I'm here in town. That's my Jeep. So let's get vacuuming it out and go from there. So I've got all the carpets laid out on the ground. I bought a brand new pressure washer since Dad's pressure washer was blowed up. So we're gonna be pressure washing the carpets, and then we're gonna mix up that nice little solution I was talking about and start doing the underneath of the Jeep. So here we go. All right, supposedly this is how you neutralize the salt that's been put underneath your vehicle. You're gonna need some baking soda, and you're gonna need some car wash stuff. And let me see if I can figure out the exact recipe. I looked this up online. I'm doing everything I can to keep this thing from you know, rusting up. In a bucket, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a ½ cup of automotive wash and a ½ gallon of water. Stir the mixture and apply the mixture to the undercarriage of any areas of your vehicle containing road salt or salt sand mixture. You can run this just as you do a soap through your power washer. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what it said online. So I'm going to mix it up, and I'm going to start spraying the underneath of the undercarriage. I washed the outside because it really needed it, and whatever salt and stuff, I'm trying to get most of it out. So whenever I apply this concoction, it'll maybe do a better job. So let's do this. 2 tablespoons. That's not a lot. And that's going to be a 1.5 gallons. So I'm going to add 6 tablespoons. It's a lot of baking soda. Okay, tablespoons. That's 1. That's 2. 3. Whoa, 4, 5. 6. And a dash more. So let's mix this up real good. All right, it seems to be mixed up pretty good. Oh, it definitely puts a film on everything. I'm gonna add a little bit more. A little bit more of the yeah, that'll work. Add my little straw right in there, and I should be able to crank this thing up, and so it could pick it up. It should pick it up and put it in my power washer. All right, so I got her hosed off pretty good. Jeep is looking sharp. I feel a lot better. I feel a lot better about it now. So we're gonna go get the hard top put on this thing, and then we're gonna move on to the next project. So let's see what we got next on the lineup. So let's crank this up. Choke is on. Well, I decided to check the hydraulics after running it, and yes indeed, we have water in the hydraulics. So I'll be changing that out right now. I'm gonna drain it and refill it. Oh yeah. That's pretty bad. Okay, so that'll drain, and we'll, that is gross and disgusting. I should have drained it before cranking it. I'm gonna have to change this filter over here too. No part number on it, but it does give part number 723-0405. So I'll get that. To a filter that I don't like, but what you gonna do? Where is it? Only thing I could find around town was this Fram, and you know what? It'll be all right. Now I'm changing the fluid over. It had hydraulic oil in it, and apparently you're allowed to change it to like Dextron. So I'm going to change it to a fluid more common to what I use. Automatic transmission fluid. I'm topping some of this up, and it's going to come pouring out whenever I go spin it on the onto here. But I thought I'd do something rather than have nothing in there. So a little bit will spill out. There we go. It's up there. Now my research says that this thing holds between 3.5 and 7 gallons. So I got 4 gallons. Oh God. Well, she got plenty flushed out. I forgot to put the hose back on. Dang it. All right. Let's crank this thing up and operate them hydraulics. Choke on. Turn the fuel off, and I like for it to run out of gas in the carburetor. So right now it's running off the fuel that's in the bowl, and when it cuts itself off, And when it cuts itself up, there's nothing in the bowl to evaporate and clog up the carburetor. So now I'm going to go take these things, go back to the house, put them on higher ground this time, and start cleaning the house. Happy Father's Day, Dad.